What's up? I'm here with another friend.
Hi.
Dromgoole. She's gonna.
This is my Nissan.
Let's
This
see
is my
this
home.
van life.
So there's not much. I'm a climber, so I have my climbing gear. I keep my loop up here.
Let it dry.
Easy. Well, that and it's very easy access. Like if I want to go down to the river, take a shower, I just hook it on, go down.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. Because that's where I take most of my showers is in the river, lakes, any fresh water, any water that is clear. Try not to go into muddy waters. My bed I built myself. I literally just put 5 posts. It's just a bed with a mattress topper from Walmart. This is my Oru kayak.
Oh,
This
dude,
is
we
actually-
looked at those for a long time. Is it rad?
It's so rad. I probably should pull it out and build it for you. But yeah.
I'll help you. I've looked at these for a long time. Like, hey, Bonnie.
Yeah, so that's like the whole kayak.
Right.
26 pounds, 28 with the oar.
Yeah, it just slaps all together.
Just a little parking lot kayak.
Yeah, it's the opposite of a hammock. Oh shit, I wonder.
Durable, but also
Do you think I can fit in it?
like, yeah.
So supposedly I haven't busted it yet on a rock, but if you do bust it too hard on a rock, you can
Figure out how
on
to.
this, but then they send you like a
This is embarrassing, Brent.
Oh, nice.
I don't bend good. Oh, what is this leg gonna do now? Where? All right.
Yeah.
My feet don't know where to go.
much tighter squeeze for
Yeah.
Yeah, my feet are just like.
you. Yeah, so
You have a barbell.
I have my barbell, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. Beer and seltzer water. I have so much beer in here that I don't drink.
Really?
Yeah, because I take it to campsites.
Yeah,
you know?
sure.
And then the back of the van, I mean, so I keep all my food in my Yetis just because that'll keep ice for 3 to 5 days.
And that's usually kind of the max, and then it's time to kind of refuel.
Yeah. Back here, clothes. I have more weightlifting stuff like belt chains, yeah.
Couple bumpers.
Yeah, a couple bumpers. I didn't put a lot in this trip just because I'm like, I'm gonna be climbing mostly. You always need water. Like I forgot to fill my water jug the other day and I had to boil water, which sucks. So having this 7-gallon tank that you can get at like any camp store is super convenient.
Yeah, it's insulation. You're good in the winter.
Yeah, so this is all insulation, and then I have my fan, but I broke a little piece on it, so I gotta get that fixed. Everything runs on a solar panel, which is up here. I don't even have a ladder. I just kind of like...
I'm not going up there.
Yeah, I kind of just climb up here. Yeah, figure it out. You know? Yeah, and so that's how I hook up. If I can't find a lake or I can't find a river to shower into, I have my solar shower bag on top of my van that literally the handle just comes down and then just shower on the side of the van.
It's
You know?
incredible. And nature showers are the best.
Yeah, you know, so I met this park ranger one time and he told me it's not illegal to be naked in a national park as long as nobody complains. So I'm not sure if he was lying to me or if he just wanted to get me naked.
You know, I feel like I'll roll the dice on with it. I'll let you know as soon as someone is like, hey man, not cool. I feel like there's more of a chance of me getting a complaint.
Yeah, but now I try to go to like any national park that I go to, I gotta get naked once. It's gotta be a thing.
Yeah, of course, a naked in nature bit. And you said you're all into this for like 14 or 15 grand?
Yeah, so it was $14,500 for the solar panels, the electrical, the van. I spent 50 bucks on lumber building the bed. But other than that, oh, I spent 10 bucks on bungee cords. Like these are like amazing.
Yeah.
Anything, like, I mean, I hang up my clothes to dry, whatever I need to hang up, just literally goes on these bungee cords. That was like my best buy.
Heck yeah.
Was bungee cords.
I'm into
my pantry up here, random things, first aid kit, whatnot.
Do you have plans to continue the build and like continue customizing?
I just want to get the air conditioner for my dog. I thought about getting an ISIS cooler that can hook up to my battery, just so I don't have to have ice and I can keep things colder.
We've got a fridge in the truck, and that made a big difference, not having to fuck with ice or not having to drain water.
Yeah.
And it was good for 2 years. It's acting a little shit right now.
Yeah. I thought about just getting those ISIS coolers just because I know that fridges, like I think that the fridges don't have as much space as the ice. Yeah, so.
Like I said, man, one of the reasons I love this is I think people think the barrier of deciding to get a van to take that route in life, to have that full, like, I don't want to participate in whatever this bullshit is anymore. But you can do this, and it doesn't have to be this unattainable thing of, like, you can just fucking bail. You left in a Nissan Rogue.
Yeah, no, I mean, literally, I just needed a place to sleep. Like showers, I'm gonna find. I'm gonna find them in gyms or my solar or fresh water. I'm gonna find a shower. I just needed a place to sleep. And other than that, like, what's stopping me? Like, people get so, I mean, people pay, you know, $1,500, $2,000 to literally sleep in a place.
Yeah.
I'd rather spend that on a kayak.
Fuck yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I do know. Yo, you fire me up. You fire me up to do more cool stuff. I very, very much appreciate sharing Stoke today.
Yeah.
So, there's Norm. There's Melissa. We'll put
Thank you.
If you want to follow her, check things out, and see her adventures. Spread hate, always party.